Nano Air with coffee. WJLE3, TV Channel 33. Service in New York City. EAS operational area. This is
I
only
can't say enough good things about these Nano hearing aids. Real people.
Talking about Nano hearing aids.
The hearing quality is great.
Until now, hearing aids used to be too expensive for the average person. Until Nano. Call now and you'll get your Nano hearing aids for only $297. You'll save $100 when you buy one hearing